Have you ever felt like life knocked you down so hard that getting back up feels so impossible and unachievable? I mean, no matter what you do, you just can't seem to move forward or find a way around it. My dear, trust me when I tell you that you are not alone. I have been in that boat before. Yes, I have faced similar experiences. I've been in such a situation where I was so overwhelmed, where worrying couldn't help me. I was stuck. I mean, I was making the same mistakes. I was living in circle, the same pattern. I felt completely lost. I couldn't recognize myself anymore. You know that feeling when you keep making the same mistakes? I was in such a situation, okay? I was making same mistakes. I was actually trying, no, not that I wasn't trying to see if I could change it, but nothing seemed to be working. But along the line, I realized that something was possible, yes, and that is I could reinvent myself. Reinvention is actually possible, and today I will be sharing with you exactly how I got to where I am today. Hello, you're welcome here. This is Savvy Life Coach channel, and my name is Peace. I am your coach on this channel. In this channel, we learn how to become the best version of ourselves. So, if you are looking for how to be the best version of yourself, you're welcome. You are in the right place. And also, if you're a woman, you're a lady, you're a girl, I mean, if you're my gender, and you are working on how to get your money right, I mean budgeting, saving, getting out of debt, we also have a second YouTube channel called Savvy Moms Finance. It's all about helping women take control of their money, their finances, and build the better life they want. Be sure to check that channel out. I'm telling you, you will love the tips we share there. The link is in the description of this video. So let's continue with what we have today. Like I was saying, there was a season in my life when I felt so stuck. Not just being overwhelmed, not stressed. I was truly lost. I poured my dream into something that didn't come out the way it ought to or it should have. I was devastated. It's like I lost everything, you know. I was hardworking, right? I watched all I've worked for, all I've struggled for, slipped out of my hand because of that single mistake. Then one day in the middle of the night, I lied down to sleep. I couldn't sleep. I began to ask myself, how did I get here and how can I start over? Maybe for you, it could be a failed relationship. Maybe you have lost your job. Maybe right now you are going through a breakup. Or yours is the case of, life has passed me by. You know, life didn't favor me. Life is unfair to me. All I want to say today is that remember, you are not alone. People are passing through similar experiences. Like I said, I've passed through that phase, you know, that point in time of my own life too. You know, sometimes these setbacks, you know, actually leave us wondering or questioning our self-worth. You begin to doubt if you can start afresh. You begin to wonder if you can start all over. Yes, it's very okay, all right, to feel that way. Be encouraged. It's very okay to feel the way you are feeling right now. And yes, you can start afresh. You can start all over. Your age doesn't matter. Like I tell a lot of people, I tell them that feeling lost or being overwhelmed, it's okay. You know, we are all humans. You know, it tells that you're a human, right? Yes, we have feelings, yes. Feeling lost or broken doesn't mean you are a failure. It's just okay for you to feel that way sometimes because we are all humans. But the choice to remain there, the choice to remain in that position is what matters. And today I want you to choose growth. I want you to choose moving forward. I want you to choose reinvention. I have learned something in my journey, you know, about reinvention, and that is exactly what I want to pass on to you today. I mean, I want to tell you what I did to get to this point where I am being able to talk to you about it because I've passed through that point in time of my life. Remember that reinvention is not about changing who you are. It's about reconnecting with who you should be or with who you were meant to be. Reconnecting with yourself. And you can actually start that journey today with 4 steps that helped me, which I believe can actually help you if you are serious minded. Number one, acknowledge the pain but don't build a house there. What do I mean? Let's be sincere. Sometimes life happens, and too often some people suppress the pain. They pretend to be fine and put on a smile. Please don't do that. It's okay to acknowledge what hurts you. Cry if you need to, if you have to. Oh, it's okay to scream if you should, but do not remain there. Don't set camp there. Don't build a house there. Don't allow your pain to be your home. Your pain shouldn't be your home. It's just a place you pass through. You just have to pass through it. Do not remain there. The next thing for you to do is to rewrite that story you are telling yourself about yourself. Most of us walk around with things that don't serve us anymore. We walk around with stories that are not us anymore. Some people even go as far as calling themselves failures. Have you been calling yourself a failure? Have you said to yourself you are too old? Or you have said something like, it's too late for me? Sis, those are narratives. And believe me when I tell you that you can rewrite them. Start telling yourself a new story. Tell yourself what you want. Tell yourself you are learning, you are becoming. Tell yourself you are no longer in that place of pain. You are on the road of becoming the best version of yourself. The next thing for you to do is to create a small, bold action plan. Reinvention is not magic. It's a process. It could be slow, but one action, one intentional effort consistently can create something powerful. You may want to start a new career. You may want to take courses. I take courses a lot. Courses that align with my niche, I go for it. Free ones, the ones I can pay for, I go for it. You can start writing down your vision. The trick is this: do not wait for motivation. You can create your own motivation. The next thing is surround yourself with the right people. Let's be sincere, your environment affects you. If you hang around with people that have given up on their dreams, it's definitely hard for you to keep fighting for your own dreams to come true. Yes, because people you are associating with, they don't have a dream. So what are you doing in that kind of environment? Find a community, could be online, could be offline, of people who are on the same path with you. People who talk about growth, purpose, and success. And by the way, this channel is a great place to start. So for you being on this channel, watching this video to this point, I must say congratulations to you, because you are on the right path of reinvention. Congratulations. So I want you to know that you are not too broken, you are not too far gone, or even too late to start again. Your setback might just be a setup for your comeback. Thank you so much for watching, for sticking with me this far. So if this video resonates with you, I want you to give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to this channel if you are not subscribed already. By the way, what are you waiting for? Go on, hit the subscribe button and share this video to everyone. Everyone on your contacts that needs this. Also remember, if you are working on your finances, check out our second YouTube channel, Savvy Moms Finance. We talk about everything from budgeting to building wealth, especially for women who are ready to take back control of their finances. The link is in the comments and in the description of this video. So until next time, remember, you are not stuck. You are being shaped. Remain savvy. I'll see you in my next video.